Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into OPPO A57s. First of all, open your phone application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here I go into block numbers option. And here we got 2 block numbers, so for unlocking this last one, you click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And we got here a success message. So let's try again this number and click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.